In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone dashboard in Grafana. Cloning a dashboard is a great way to experiment, try new panels or queries, or create a tailored version for a different team without touching the original. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can duplicate any dashboard quickly and safely. First, open your Grafana instance. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side navigation and open Dashboards. This takes you to the list of available dashboards in your organization. Find and open the dashboard you want to clone. Pick the one you want to copy so you can preserve the original layout, panels, and variables. If the dashboard is locked or view only, click Make Editable. This unlocks editing so you can access the save options. If you don't see this, you might need additional permissions, or the dashboard may be provisioned by code. In that case, check with your admin before proceeding. Now look to the top right corner for the Save button. Click the small drop-down arrow next to Save to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Save as Copy. This is the safest way to duplicate the dashboard because it creates a new independent version and leaves the original unchanged. You'll see a dialog where you can update the title of your clone. Give it a clear, descriptive name that makes it easy to distinguish, or keep the name as is if you prefer. Next, click Select Folder. Choose where the clone should live. If you want it alongside the original, pick the same folder, such as the dashboards folder. Your folder choice affects who can find and access the copy, so select the location that fits your team's workflow. When you're ready, click Save. Grafana will create the new dashboard with the same panels, queries, variables, and time settings as the source. Data sources and permissions remain subject to your environment, so make sure the new location has access to what it needs. After saving, click Close to exit the dialog. To verify everything, go back to the Dashboard section from the left-hand menu. Search for the name you just saved and open the clone dashboard. You should see an identical layout that you can now customize independently. A quick tip: consider adjusting tags or descriptions in the clone to make it easy for teammates to identify, and double-check time ranges or variables if your use case is different. That's it. You've successfully cloned a Grafana dashboard and kept the original intact.